everyone. I'm coming to you with my Walgreens pickup haul I did on Monday, which was June 26th. I had a booster of spend 40, get back $20 in Walgreens cash. So I wanted to combine that with some other promotions like the P&G promotion. I think it's spend 15, get back 5 in Walgreens cash, and the Shea Moisture promotion. I think that's spend 15, get back 5 in Walgreens cash. So I wanted to combine all of that together to bring me up to my $40 after everything was said and done. So what I picked up, I picked up 3 bars of the Shea Moisture, and they were on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. So my 3 came out to $15.87. Then I picked up 2 Kit Kats. They were, what were they? The Kit Kats were 2 for $2.50, and there was a digital coupon in the Walgreens app for $1 off, so that was $1.50. The Dawn, it was just on sale for $1.24. Remember, I'm still trying to get my total up. So I threw in the Dawn, I threw in the Kit Kats, and I threw in 2 things of M&Ms. They were $2 and $1 a piece. Then my P&G items, I managed to pick up, which I'm surprised they still had the Charmin there. The Charmin Ultra Soft White Mega Rolls, they were $5.49. And then I picked up another Charmin Ultra Soft Mega Rolls, which was $8.99. This was the $8.99, and this was the $5.49 one. And then I picked up the Bounty Select the Size Paper Towels, big rolls. They were on sale for $5.49. So after everything was said and done with all my coupons coming out, my subtotal came out to $23.70. So let me tell you what digitals did come off. My Kit Kat bar, I got $1 back. Charmin, I got a $2.50 back. Another Charmin, I got the $5 back for the big pack. And the Bounty, I got $2.50 back. Shea Moisture soap, I got $6 back. And these were all digital coupons. I'm going to have a breakdown in the description box for you. So if you want to go do this deal this week, you can. If you haven't spent your booster, figured out how to spend 40 off 20, this is what I did. So I checked this morning, and I did get my $30 back in Walgreens cash. I got $30.14 back, and 14 cents is your everyday points. I got $20 for spending 40, and then I got $5 for the P&G deal and $5 for the Shea Moisture deal. So my final cost for all of this was free plus a $6.44 Moneymaker. I have 11 items. So to get paper products for free and Shea Moisture for free, I think this was a fantastic deal at Walgreens starting this week. But that's all I have for you today, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.